Peepers, Puta, Puta, Puta. I want to show you guys the chickens, how they grow up. Peepers. I don't have anything in my hands, but look at that. I give 4 of them to my friend Milan. This is the giant rooster. Basically, I have 3 roosters and 4 hens over here. You know, this little update. You know, they're having paradise over here. Ranch free, no granulated food. Leftovers after us and grains. They are meat lovers. Right? Kikiriki! Yeah, the red one is starting on the morning. And these are my babies. Alright guys, that was the little update. And they're not laying eggs yet. Probably 1 more month. See you guys.